Hello everyone. Today I am going to present a lecture on a topic called Fluidized Bed dryer. So in this topic we are going to discuss regarding the principal construction working advantages and disadvantages and applications of the Fluidized Bed dryer. Okay, let us start with the principle. So it works on the principle of fluidization. So in this equipment, air with high pressure is passed through the perforated container, and this container is containing a wet granules. As a result, the granules will get suspended in a stream of air. This condition is called as fluidization, during which each and every particle gets surrounded by the warm air and dry them completely in a fluidization state. And regarding its construction, it consists of the following parts like filter air unit, product chamber, expansion chamber, exhaust filter, exhaust blower, control panel, and perforated plate, and then filter bags. Now let us see how the fluidized bed dryer is working. So initially hot air with a high pressure is passed through a perforated bed containing the sample. As the hot air enters at a high velocity greater than the settling velocity of the particles, as a result particles start suspending in a stream of air. When the moist particles suspend in the hot air circulates each and every particle and dry them to a desired extent. The moisture is vaporized and leave the equipment. This diagram shows how the drying takes place in the fluidized bed dryer. So you can see here there is a perforated plate through which the hot air is entering and with a greater velocity, and the velocity is so much higher than the settling velocity of the powder sample. Due to greater velocity, this air lifts the powder particles and suspend them in a stream of air, and the air circulates each and every particle and remove the moisture which is present in the powder particles, so that the drying takes place, and this moisture is get converted in the form of vapors, and these vapors leave the drying equipment. Advantages of the fluidized dryer: faster removal of moisture, efficient drying, the particles dried in all angles because of fluidized state, the exposure time for the drying is less, easy to control. Disadvantages of fluidized bed dryer: high energy usage. If fluidization is not sufficient, leads to poor drying, not suitable for highly sticky materials. There is a high risk of attrition, due to which there is a more and more chance of the particle size reduction.